Sai Ram. Once again, happy to be back in satsang. Today's bhajan, Janam Janam ke saath tum ho, Parthishwara Sai Deva. सुख में दुख में Parthishwara Sai Deva. मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखारी Parthishwara Sai Rama. Sorry, because I'm used to singing, so when I say the word, it's all Sai Rama. Rama's name is very close to the heart. Sai Rama's name more close to the heart. Parthishwara Sai Rama's name is the ultimate. We say Janam Janam ke saath tum ho. Sukh mein dukh mein saath tum ho, Parthishwara Sai Rama. So, as bhajan we sing that Janam Janam ke saath tum ho, but in reality, that is the truth, whether we realize or not. Sukh mein dukh mein, there are people. When you are happy, there are people with you. When you are sad, there are people with you. But at all time, the true company, Saath Tum Ho, is Parthishwara Sai Rama. All the time. Mat Pita, Guru Bandhus, Sakhari, Parthishwara Sai Rama. Father, mother comes. They are with us for some time and they leave. Or even if they are with us, they are somewhere, we are somewhere. Same way, relatives, friends, children, everyone. When the time changes, everything changes. And in this mad, mundane world, we think we are enjoying the life. And we are after that. Few people are blessed to know that all the time the companion is the God whom they have taken seriously. Some people take Ishvara, some people take Ishwari, some people take Vishnu, some people take Hanuman, some people take Ganesha. In my life, I have found after I started taking this Sai Rama's name, till today, that only that Sai Rama is with me and nothing else. All the other things are okay. Transaction of the world. But permanently with love, which stays strong in our heart, which makes us strong, at the time of difficulty and happiness, it balances both and it gives us strength at all time, is Parthishwara Sai Rama. This realization takes years. First we start singing bhajans, we start doing things, and then we keep on repeating again and again and again. But it takes years for us to realize the true meaning of God's name, because suddenly we find something shakes us within us, but immediately the God's name, which each one of us around the globe, when we take that name, we find strength, we find a strong support. That's why dukh mein sukh mein saath tum ho. Then anyone is there with us or not, the only thing which gives us that peace and that love over a period of time, it should give. It should tell. God's name tells our mind, hey, you are unnecessarily troubling yourself. you are unnecessarily making yourself for unwanted thing. You create a joyful mood or sad mood that you are creating, your mind is creating. But the name of the Lord equalizes at all time and makes us enter into peace. Then love starts coming forth. Till then, peace and love are two words. Only when we start realizing. And how we know that love and peace has come? We ourselves know within ourselves. Yes, now I am slowing down. I am at peace. Now I understand that all the creations are like me and each one have their path. So let us not see here and there. Let us see within ourselves to attain peace and experience and express love to humanity. May Sai bless all of us in that state. Jai Sai Ram.
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम,
परतीश्वर साईं राम
रामा, सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम,
परतीश्वर साईं राम,
मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा हरि,
माता पिता गुरु बंधु सखा हरि,
मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखा हरि,
माता पिता गुरु बंधु सखा हरि,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
परतीश्वर साईं राम रामा,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम,
परतीश्वर साईं राम
रामा, सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
सुख में दुख में साथ तुम हो,
परतीश्वर साईं राम।
परमेश्वर साईं राम।
मात पिता गुरु बंधु सखारी,
माता पिता गुरु बंधु सखारी।
परमेश्वर साईं राम रामा।
परमेश्वर साईं राम रामा।
परमेश्वर साईं राम रामा।
परमेश्वर साईं राम रामा।
जन्म जन्म के साथ तुम हो, परमेश्वर साईं राम रामा।